Welcome to the lecture third of a Agentforce specialist series and Ideas Pair Consultancy. Today we are discussing what is an Agentforce is Salesforce AI basically. In the previous two lectures, we covered how is the AI was coming in the Salesforce and how what is an AI. And after this, we are covering that how is the AI is coming in a Salesforce. It is how there is a long decade, not in a few days ago, not in few months ago. It was a process of long decade how this AI was introduced in Salesforce. And the name of that AI, finally, we are in the Agentforce wave that I earlier explained that there are multiple waves coming in chatbot, Agentforce wave. This was the Agentforce time, Salesforce AI. In Agentforce is nothing, an AI agent or that built on the Salesforce platform itself and make the things easier. Basically, it allows organizations to build and deploy AI agents can take autonomous action across sales, service, marketing, different clouds. These actions can be resolving a case, qualifying a leads, taking a follow-up on the email, optimizing campaigns, and such as providing a help text which increase your sales and business. Everything was there with the help of these AI agents. So let us come about what is this before the AI agents come into the picture. Salesforce already have introduced in chatbots. So these are the more advanced versions of the chatbots we have. And what are the chatbots that basically we are saying that there is a sales offense in the history of AI in a Salesforce. We first come Einstein chatbots. After this, we have come in Agentforce. So that's why these were the more and more advanced in as compared to the chatbots. Like the scope of work, if you consider, then a chatbox basically answers a Q&A scripted conversations like, whereas an agent can understand what your input for the same and multi-step actions, call APIs, flows, apex, and do real work like a virtual colleagues. Agent force is like your virtual colleagues, whereas chatbots is basically a simple Q and answer script conversation. AI agents is more intelligent as compared to the chatbots. Chatbots basically work on pattern key based on limited or LLP. Often stuck if the user got out of script. If the user are asking the scenarios which are out of the script, then at that time chatbot will fail. Whereas an agent case uses reasoning engines and enterprises data to decide the next step. They think, what is the user asking? What info do I need? What actions should I take? And integration with the shared systems. Chatbots usually external connect with one or two systems, often superficially, whereas when we talk about the agents, they are deeply integrated with the Salesforce CRM, data clouds, flow, Apex, MuleSoft, external by everything. It does not just track; it acts inside business workflow. Execution speed is obviously Agentforce is a very fast as compared to the chatbots. Within seconds, you can reply up to multiple, you can perform the actions as well as in responses like updating a case stage, creating a case, syncing with ERP, and learning and adaptively. Whereas we are when we talk about the chatbots, and it was in static data and needs manual script updates, and whereas when we are agent and dynamic, it can learn from its mistakes. If anything, that can be prompts given by the using actions, guardly use all data, so it will resolve evolves with business. In short, a chatbot is like a receptionist, like text message, answer basic queries, whereas an agent is like a smart employee, understands these and give reasons and take a real actions automatically. Basically, let us discuss about the key features and components we have for an agent force which have agent builder. Agent builder is basically who is now you till now we understand what is an agent force is and how the agent force will work. Then basically that for how the setup was needed for the doing the agent force in your org. So for this there are a few components we need to understand. One is agent builders. Agent builders basically design and customize AI agents using a natural language instructions, prompt template and flows, define topics, guardrails, actions, and trigger events. Service and out-of-box agents leave pre-built agents for common use cases and services, sales development, campaign, and optimization. Atlas Reasoning Engine, Salesforce core AI system that enables agents to understand intent, plan, steps, retrieve relevant data, and automatically decide on actions. Integration with the data and systems. Seamlessly connect agents to critical data sources and systems, data cloud, MuleSoft API, Flow, Apex, and platform tools. Then let us discuss about the pillars of Agentforce on which the Agentforce will be working on and how now the question is how is the Agentforce was getting work. How what is the agents we have in the Salesforce. So basically we have roles. In each AI agent is assigned to a role. It's like basically an employee in an organization. Now with the help of this some data he can perform some task It will, according to on the data we have on the behalf of data, agent will provide a solution for the same, and the things that you want to take an output from the agent on the behalf of this. AI, as basically we all know, AI is good as the data it uses, because AI will only run on the data provided to the AI. Another pillar we have is actions. Agent perform concrete tangible action like creating a support tickets, updating CRM records, significantly reducing manual workloads and accelerating process. Guardrails. As we know, agents are working in many fast way, and as AI was going day by day. But there are also some validations we are providing the agents. Like we all know that Gemini are creating nowadays a good images. But if we provide in that command that like create an image of Narendra Modi, then sometime a command was coming that we are unable to create an image of a specific person. So these are basically the guardrails, like validations, like to perform to break the AI, not to perform the tasks that are out of the course. They actually take a action, create basically built in a run rules and validations to avoid misuse of an AI. We want to avoid the misuse of an AI now not take place. Another thing is channels. Agents are accessible across all critical communications and channels like Slack, WhatsApp, email, mail, providing a consistent and seamless support whereas whenever needed. Now discuss that how is Agentforce work, how agents are building. So agents are building on a low code solution. There is Agent Builder is a low code platform where you define your agent's roles, actions, and business integration. It is like building your avatar on social media. Initiative and accessible. Pre-built templates handle common masks, making setup quick and efficient without excessive coding knowledge. Now we are coming to the how is the agent force work mainly. Basically, the AI we all know AI work on the data provided to itself we have. Like data integration, the data provided to the AI will be more if the data is more accurate, then AI will perform to the more better. So for this, we are using a Salesforce data cloud for the data purpose, and agents access the customer information, interaction, and critical business data directly through a secure and scalable cloud integration, the Salesforce data cloud. This ensures unified real-time, very customer touchpoint from a purchase history to a service cases and marketing engagements. Beside this, using a data cloud Salesforce, AI also use a mirror of the Salesforce for a better understanding of how the things are going on, how to arrange the data, how to search in a data. We have a big of data in AI. If this is not possible to write a single line by line, word by word, but AI can directly use a mirror as the best way to provide a quick solution. So advanced meta understanding must be the AI must we have. Let us discuss that now. What first we discuss what is an agent force. Then we discuss how the agents are. As what is the pillars of agent force, components of agent force, how we can create an agents. Now configure and customize the agents, that how will agent will be respond on your prompt or your requirement on your input. Response guidance, shape agent tone and communication style to match your brand voice. Action library basically create compensation actions at using flows, prompt builder, apex or APS. Query handling, define first we have to tell to the agents how to respond to that particular query. Rather than saying to the agents, you must have to inform it how to respond to a particular query. Different type of customer inquiries are coming. Testing and monitor, when everything was configured, then it must be the priority to test and properly monitor the AI before going to the release. We have to must be get the beta for the same and test the actual agent for how it was working and monitoring. Let us discuss about the brain of an agent, that how actually the AI will work, who is controlling the AI. The Atlas region engine, the Atlas region engine's power intelligent decision making. Instead of saying I don't know, agent access tools and data to figure out solution step by step. This is the actual place where the commands was getting executed. So this is the main engine is that Atlastic Reason Engine. This engine guide agents through logical reasoning processes, enabling them to pull order details, suggest options, and take appropriate actions. Now, this is agent. This ATS also uses RAG technology. What is an RAG technology? This was retrieval argument consolidation. Before responding, agents pull real-time information from a connected knowledge source, including support articles, documents, and product guides. This ensures a response are correct and accurate, contextually relevant to each query. Now come to agentic loop. This was an example of continuous intelligence, that how the agent working on a continuous intelligence. Like first we have to provide the reason, like agent analyze the current situation and available option and respond according to the act. Take appropriate action based on the reasoning and available tools. Then evaluate, reflects on a result and determine if task is complete or not. If needed, cycle back to the reasoning for next step until task was completion. Like we already say in ChatGPT, when we are giving this some command, then again then he is taking some asking some questions, and we are providing the input, and this cycle is going on again and again. This was an agentic loop, and this was the example of continuous intelligence, how Agentforce agents are improve intelligence of themselves. Let us discuss about some limitations. As we know, if everything is happen, then it might be some limitations also we have that. Limitation of agent force or AI, we have simply data quality and governance. As I'm already mentioned, that agents work on the data that we provided to that. The agents, basically the data of module agent force have on the behalf of this data, agent will give the answer and provide the solution for the same. So if the data was not proper, then it might be a possibility that it will be provide a get result and like. This is the same accuracy and consistency. Agentforce faces a risk of risk of hallucination, incorrect, often fabricated response, especially in complete tasks, complex tasks. Cost and pricing complexity. As we are seeing that there in market, multiple AI was coming, and there is multi good AI for creating a PDF from presentation, from text to presentation. On a single word, we can get your video as well as. But the cost of using them AI is very high in the market. Implementation and implementing curve. As we know, if we're setting agents, and it might be multiple steps, we have to must aware about this thing. For example, if you need to implement agent force in your org, then you must have to create an agents, configure the agents, providing a command to the customization. Everything was needed. It was not in like an open system and setup was as nothing like that. So implementation and living curve. Now let's time ready to transfer your business. Agent force represent the future of business automation. Intelligent, autonomous, and integrated. These virtual colleagues work tirelessly to enhance customer experience and operational efficiency. Want to learn more about it? Connect with our experts for a personalized guidance and start your AI transformation journey today. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you please share, subscribe this thing. Thank you.